Hello children. Today we are going to read a poem I'm Lucky from class 2nd English book Marigold. If I were a butterfly, I would be thankful for my wings. If I were a manna in a tree, I would be thankful that I could sing. If I were a fish in the sea, I would be thankful that I can wriggle and giggle with glee. So I just think I'm lucky to be me, not you, but me. If I were an elephant, I would be thankful that I can raise my trunk. If I were a kangaroo, I would try to hop right up to the moon. If I were an octopus, I would be thankful for my 8 arms. So I just think I'm lucky to be me, not you, but me. What do you think you want to be? Do you want to be like me or just you? Just you. Now, let's try to understand the meaning of the poem. This poem is about the feelings of a young girl. The girl thinks if she were any other creature like a butterfly, manna, fish, elephant, kangaroo, or octopus, she would be happy and thankful to God for everything she had in her life. If she were a butterfly, she would be thankful for her wings because she can fly. If she were a manna, a bird, she would be thankful because she could sing. If she were a fish, she would be thankful to God because she can wriggle. Wriggle means to move slowly. She can giggle with glee, meaning is she can laugh loudly with happiness. She also thinks she is lucky for what she is. If she were an elephant, she would be thankful because she can raise her trunk. Trunk meaning is long nose of elephant. If she were a kangaroo, she would be thankful because she can try to hop. Hop means to jump. She would try to jump to reach up to the moon. If she were an octopus, she would be thankful for having 8 arms. Octopus is a sea creature which has 8 arms. But in the end of the poem, she thinks she is lucky for what she is. She also asks the question to the readers, to us, whether we are happy and satisfied with what we have in our life, and if we feel ourselves lucky. Word meanings. Lucky meaning blessed. Butterfly meaning an insect with bright colored wings. Thankful meaning filled with feeling of happiness. Manna meaning a bird with a loud voice. Wriggle meaning to move slowly. Giggle meaning to laugh loudly. Glee meaning happiness. Trunk meaning a long nose of an elephant. Hop meaning to jump. Octopus meaning a sea creature having 8 arms. Basic words and example sentences. So, can you recognize what is this? A butterfly, an insect with bright colored wings. Sentences. I saw a pink butterfly on my way to school. The butterfly sat on the flower. What is this? Manna, a bird with a loud voice. Sentences. The manna was sitting on a banyan tree. Manna was resting on the top of our building. So, which animal is this? Fish, an aquatic animal with gills and fins. This lake does not have any fish in it. A fish can give thousands of eggs at a time. Which animal is this? Correct, kangaroo. A herbivorous animal with a thick tail and strong hind legs. Sentences. Kangaroos carry their babies in their pouch. Kangaroos are very friendly. Which animal is this? Octopus, a sea creature having 8 arms. Sentences. Octopus can do their work very quickly. Octopus has 8 arms. Complete these sentences. In the left column, animals are written and right column, actions are written. Now you need to fill in the blanks. A butterfly can fly. A manna can sing. A fish can wriggle. An elephant can raise its trunk. Which animal can hop? A kangaroo can hop. And what you can do? You can think. Thank you for watching the video.